Ah, another day for freaking school. Boy, life can't get any worse. That's freaking right. Get up for school, you stupid piece of crap. Get to the bathroom and brush your teeth. Screw you! Brush your teeth, rah! That's not how you eat, you idiot. And if you like to eat like that, you gotta do better than quiet. Get out and don't come back until you finish school. Man, I hate my life and I hate going to school because we have to spend 6 career hours of our life. Oh, hi Leo. Hello, Classic Caillou. Hey man, I'm thinking I have an idea on how we can get out of doing school today. What is it? You are going to pull the fire alarm. That way we can get out of school and do stuff. Yes! That's a wonderful, brilliant idea, Leo. I am freaking down for this. I cannot wait until I arrive at school and give my teacher an excuse of going to the bathroom, then pull the fire alarm. Good morning, class. Today, we're going to learn about Sotomayor's equations. Hey, Miss Martin. Yes, Classic Caillou? May I go to the bathroom? Early in the morning? Didn't you go to the bathroom when you were getting set up for school? I forgot. Sorry. Fine, I'll let you go. Thank you, Miss Martin. It really means a lot to me. You're welcome. Ha 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 ha. Miss Martin for real fell for my trick. Time to pull the fire alarm in 3, 2, 1. Oh crap! The fire alarm's now activated, so I better screw up before I get caught. Oh no! It's the fire alarm! The school is on fire! Quick everybody! Leave the classroom and leave the school! Oh crap! Mwahahahahahaha! It worked. No one saw me on the run. Time to go home now and play on my PS5. Classic Caillou, you did it! Now, we can both go home and do whatever we want. Agreed. So, see you next time. See you next time. Classic Caillou! What the heck are you doing back here so early? Well you see, there was a fire in the school, so we were free to go home. Oh, okay. But what about Rosie? What about her? Is she with you? Or is she going back home by herself? She is going home by herself. Well, in that case, maybe you can sit down and watch TV with me. Okay. Principal Clementine! The alarm was a false one. Apparently some smart-ass kid pulled the fire alarm mysteriously because you wanted to skip school or so. So do you guys have any idea who did it? Well, indeed we do. As the security guards have checked the fingerprints, we found that it was a kid named Classic Caillou Anderson who pulled the freaking alarm. What? Are you freaking kidding me? That stupid piece of crap is in so much trouble. He is getting expelled. I am dealing with his father immediately. Aw crap, here we go with my phone. Hello, who this? Hello, my name is Principal Clementine from SML. I don't even get paid enough for the scrap in this channel, but I want to tell you that your stupid abomination son Classic Caillou pulled the fire alarm without any real emergency. So he wasted everyone's time. including the firemen's and the police's time. Also, I want to tell you that your son is expelled from school for doing this. Wait, he did what? GRRRRRRRRR. Classic Caillou. Oh crap! I'm so dead! You're freaking right! I knew there was something suspicious going on between you and your school. Classic Caillou, how dare you pull the fire alarm and then leave the school just so you can go back home? That's it. I'm going to ground you 6 feet under. Wait, I don't want to be grounded 6 feet under, please. Too bad. You're grounded. 6 feet under. GRRRRRRRR.